Are you tired of buying overpriced cake pops?
No, I got the best cake pops in town. Ho ho ho!
Then cry no longer.
Huh?
Cause I got the best quick and easy Christmas tree cake pops that are so good they'll make you hit one of these maneuvers. Alrighty, so first off we're gonna need 2 big old boxes of Christmas tree cakes. We are then gonna add all these sugar babies inside one big old bowl and crush it up with our fingertips. Once you're done with that and you want your cake pop to be a little bit cheesy, then just add 1 whole block of cream cheese. You're then gonna mix it up once again with those hands and start rolling out your cake pops. Pops?
Bops.
So once you're done with that, we're gonna melt about 10 ounces of white chocolate and about 6 ounces of red chocolate. We are then gonna grab our cake pop stick and dip it right inside that white melted chocolate and place it inside our cake ball. After that, we're gonna put it in the freezer and wait for this many minutes.
Meanwhile.
Oi, Felix, what's this in the freezer?
Oh my Mariah.
Oi, who's Mariah?
Mariah Carey. Mr. Fish. Mariah Carey.
Well, she's the frosting. Can't we just close the door?
You don't get it, Mr. Fish. It's too late. It's too late.
What do you mean?
It's too late, Mr. Fish! Run! Run! Alrighty, so for those decorations, all we're gonna do is grab our lovely cake pop and put it inside that white melted chocolate. We are then gonna move it back and forth, ensuring we do not spin it so it doesn't fall apart. After that, we're gonna grab that delicious red chocolate and drizzle it all over that cake pop, making that garland finish. Finally, we're gonna sprinkle some of that good old green sugar on top so it can look a little something like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and have a great day.
Peace!